Okay guys, we are back with another video, and today we will be cleaning out the bird bath. Oh my. Luca, come on. Come on, let's clean out the bird bath. We should clean out the bird bath.
We need a hose, that's one. And step two, we need to empty all the water out. And we need an
Wait, stop pulling. Stop pulling.
We need an adult for that. Unknot it. Unknot it.
So we're just
Unknot it.
gonna do this. There's a spider.
That's good.
Now he should be able to pull. Luca, come on. It just ain't wanted to move.
Go get it up.
That spider is really annoying me.
We need someone to lift the bird back.
It's kind of pretty. You can't pull it anymore. The spider is...
Don't get yourselves all wet.
We're not. Luca, how do you clean it out? Hold on.
We need to lift the bird back.
Luca, don't play in there.
No, we're trying to clean it out.
Just grab the hose and flush it out.
How do you do that?
I don't want them to do that. They'll get sick. They're gonna soak.
Flush it out.
You know you gotta use the can and you gotta take all the water out first. Without getting yourselves all wet. Pull up your sleeves. And when it's almost empty, then you fill it up with fresh water.
Okay, so now take that thing out.
How about you right now for a second?
You know that I can't do that. Well, I can, but I'm not. Mattel, get out of there.
No, we don't need to.
Yes, take it out.
We don't need to.
The birds are all watching. They're waiting for you because you're so slow.
I'm not.
Ew, it's all red and yucky.
Because it's rusted. What do you think?
You stepping and slipping. Oh, it's kind of getting muddy out here now.
It's kind of good.
You know, I'll just take it out.
We don't need to.
We do need to
Why?
because
You don't need to.
how do you turn it off? You know, I'll just leave it in there because it's just gonna keep doing what it's doing. It's so poopy in there. I'm not gonna show this because it's actually kind of disgusting and we're not gonna show it.
What if Ali just says, I want to see it? watch our videos?
I don't know.
Oh, this is heavy.
I'm trying to... Okay, we're going to actually make another video. So...